How to fix screen dimming in Realme C73. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option display and brightness. Now click on it, and here if you can turn on your auto brightness, then turn it off. After turn off your auto brightness, then turn off your dark mode. Now here you can see the dark mode option. If you turn it on, then turn off your dark mode. After turn off your dark mode, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.